Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to be decorating the dollhouse for Christmas. I'm going to start by taking out this couch. I am going to show you some stuff I bought recently before we get into decorating. I bought this little house. I'm just going to take the top part off. And then I bought this towel at Target, and I think it would make a cute little blanket. I picked up these from Hobby Lobby. And these, I really like the big Merry Christmas stickers. Picked up these because I thought they could be decor, or we could cut the top loop off and they could be little desserts. The same with these. I really think they look like little Christmas cake. And I got a pack of these. To me, these look like little Christmas wall hangings. I did take two out. Here is one. And here's the other. I also picked up these little Merry Christmas signs. I thought they could be cute on a door. I did end up sticking them in the tree. I picked up these 3 miniature banners, and I'm just going to hang them around the room. These little things are metal, little Merry Christmas and little like holly bunches. I got these little hats at Hobby Lobby. They are ornaments, but I just cut the little string off and they work for hats for the dolls. I also picked up a pack of these little gnome ornaments. I just cut the string off and I think they'll look cute on the couch. The same with these little pillow ornaments. I cut the string off and I'm going to put them around on the couch. First thing I'm going to do is get the tree out. It is kind of smushed in a wreck. I'm going to take everything off, including the lights, and kind of fluff it out. Now I'm going to start putting the lights on. I had a little bit of a lighting crisis. I only had one string of these soft white lights and it wasn't enough, but eventually I found another one. They're just a little bit different. I think it looks okay. Here's where we are so far. I went ahead and put the mantle garland up, and I was going to put this on the tree, but as soon as I put it on there, I did not like the way it looked, so I ripped that back off. I'm just going to use the little ball ornament to start with. I also have some of these little picks, which are in our garland on the mantle, and I'm going to stick them around the tree. I forgot I had this napkin as well from last year. I don't know, I think it would make a really cute tablecloth. I'm also going to use this plaid tartan material to make the tree skirt and put a bunch of presents under it. I got some new ones from Hobby Lobby. Here's where we're at so far. I love the way it looks with the tree in there, and with all the lights off, it just looks so magical. For the bar, I'm going to put this little scrap of material on, and I have this little red house I'm going to put on. These are from Hobby Lobby last year, and I really like them, but I don't think I'm going to use them. I took two of these little wooden angels and put them on the mantle, and then I put some of this garland from the Dollar Tree on the top of the cabinets and put a light around them. I'm not a big fan of the light, but that's all I had. Then I'm going to take some mini trees and little decorations and spread around. Take this napkin from Target and I'm gonna cut it to make a throw blanket. And I just cut it into a big rectangle, and I'm just gonna kind of tuck it here in the corner of the couch. I'm also going to take the mini little banners and just hang them up. I put one behind the tree, it's kind of hard to see, and one on the cabinets. I put some more of the little Merry Christmas signs in the tree because I actually do that in real life, and I thought it looked really cute. This rug, I really want like a tartan rug, but I thought I wanted to see how this green felt would look. I think it looks okay. It's not my favorite. I did try a white piece of felt to see if I liked that better. I did not. So I'm going to leave the green for now until I find something I like better. I just think a red tartan would look really cute here. I wanted to show you this. I got this from Temu last year, and it's a little pop-up book, and I love it so much. And I think I'm going to put it on the coffee table for the younger dolls to play with. I'm going to take this corner Merry Christmas sticker here, and I'm going to take a little piece of material, a strip of material on the back. And then I'm going to put some poster putty on top of that. And we're going to put our Christmas cards on this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.